How are you today? I hope you are all doing well. Okay, this time we will present about accounting opportunities and challenges in the role tax officer. Imagine a student who runs a small online business while studying. At first, everything feels easy, but then questions start to appear, such as how to report income, how to calculate tax currently, and how to follow tax regulation. From this situation, we can see that the role of tax officer is a very important and requires strong accounting skill. At the same time, this role also brings many opportunity, such as career development and then use of digital system. However, tax officer also face challenges, including change regulation and then technological developments. Okay guys, let's start presentation.
And I want to talk about three things. First, what is tax accounting? Basically, it is about recording money transactions to know how much tax must be paid. Companies use accounting data to calculate their tax obligations. And now, moving on to the role. Who is a tax officer? In short, a tax officer is a person who handles tax records, tax payments, and tax reports in a company. Usually, a tax officer works in the finance department. And next, why is a tax officer so important? Actually, tax officers play a double role. First, for the company, they make sure all taxes are calculated correctly to avoid legal problems or expensive fines. And second, they help manage the tax payments to the government. This is very important to support government revenue and keep the national tax system running well. Next, the role of accounting in a tax officer's works. First, basis for tax calculations. Tax accounting is used to calculate taxable income and tax to be paid. Tax officers use company income and transactions to calculate tax correctly. Financial reports like income statement and balance sheets helps avoid mistakes or overpayment. And next, financial statement analysis. Accounting helps tax officers check financial reports. They can find differences, calculation mistakes, or possible tax avoidance by looking at accounting records. And the last, ensuring compliance. Accounting helps make sure taxpayers follow tax rules. Clear and accurate financial reports helps tax officers do reporting and audits correctly.
I want to talk accounting opportunities as a tax officer. A. Career opportunities. Accounting graduates can work in taxation as tax officers, auditors, or analysts at the Directorate General of Tax. They can also become tax consultant or tax manager in companies or work independent. This career can develop with experience. Accounting and tax knowledge are important for accurate tax calculation and compliance. Point B. Opportunities in the digital era. Digital tax systems such as e-filing, e-factor, e-SPT, and the core tax administration system create new opportunities. Tax officers with accounting and basic technology skills are needed to support efficient and transparent tax administration. Okay, next slide. Accounting challenges for tax officers. Point A. Change in tax regulation. Tax regulations often change, so tax officers must regularly update their knowledge to ensure correct tax calculation and reporting. Point B. Technology and data challenges. Tax officers manage large amounts of digital data. Data error and cybersecurity issues are challenges. So, digital skill and data security awareness are very important.
And I'm going to talk about strategies to face opportunities and challenges. First, strengthening accounting and tax knowledge. Tax officers should understand basic accounting and tax rules well, because with strong knowledge can help them to calculate tax correctly, analyze data easily, and make a good tax plan. Second is improving technological competence. As we know, technology is very important in taxation. That's why tax officers need to understanding accounting software, a invoicing system, and basic data analysis to work faster and more efficiently. Third is maintaining professional ethics and integrity. Tax officers must be honest, fair, and responsible, because with good ethics and integrity can help build people trust and prevent misconduct in the tax system. The next slide is what is the role of accounting student in becoming tax officers. First, building competencies during university. Students should start preparing early by learning accounting and taxation during college, because it helps them for future career as a tax officers. Second is understanding accounting and tax fundamentals. Students need to know basic knowledge, especially in income tax or PPH and value added tax or PPN, because these are essential in the tax field. Third is gaining experience through internship and training. Theory is not enough. That's why students need to apply internship and training to provide real work experience and understand how tax rules in real situations.
For delivering the final part of the presentation so clearly. In conclusion, accounting has an important role in the work of tax officer. Accounting helps tax officer calculate tax correctly, analyze financial statement, and make sure taxpayer follow tax rules. Tax officer also face challenges such as change in tax regulation and the use of digital system. However, these challenges can be handled with good accounting knowledge, technology skill, and with professional ethics. With proper learning and experience, accounting students have a good opportunity to become competent tax officer, support a fair and sustainable tax system. Thank you for your attention.